Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix call waiting in Realme Narzo 80 Lite. So before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option system and update. Now click on system and update and then click on software update. After clicking on software update, then here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After updating a latest version, then go back and click on backup and reset, and then again click on reset phone. Now on top you can see the option reset network settings. Now click on it and then enter your password to reset your network settings. After reset your network settings, then go back to your home screen and press and hold power button to restart your device. Now swipe up to restart your device. After you start your device, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.